Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
7 people charged for the beating of a 14-year-old girl on December the 30th, 2023 in Clarendon were granted bail when they appeared in the Clarendon Parish Court on Thursday. Senior Parish Court Judge Dahlia Finley, who presided over the matter, also placed a gag order on the accused, instructing that they were prohibited from discussing the case in public. My viewers and subscribers, I don't think this is good enough. Prohibit them from discuss case, and I don't think that is good enough. They should never get no bail. They should never get no bail. You see, big people like this, we have sense, we claim so they have sense, and then brain a work, and then have no mental problem. Yeah, them no fi offer no bail. Who agree with me? Them no fi offer no bail. You can imagine the way how they beat the 14-year-old little girl who see the video, because me did come over here and me did talk about it and me did show a little part of the clip. You understand? Seven people beat up the 14-year-old girl, including a big fat one, big woman, where I must say 50-year-old. People like Uno, no forget bail. All them suck me and all them a type of law business when they have. It need for change. It need for change. When I have big old grabber girl, I beat up 14-year-old pitney. They not for grant no bail at all. No bail. Me can't believe. Me can't believe. So they just really look upon them and grant them bail. After what happened to Kayla Dodie. You know, remember Kayla Dodie? What happened to her? Eh? Me tell you no, man, sometimes when I remember some things, me have to say January. Me have to say January, what really are going on in our country. Then should never grant no bail. Not a right to do bail. Nobody will rape people, rape little pitney. Listen, and people with big old grabber girl will beat up little pitney, not forget no bail. Them something is not right. It's unacceptable. I can't believe this. So no really give them people a bail. When you can't give them all bail and next minute you don't even know where them there. You understand me? And the only thing they instruct them to do is not to discuss case in a public. That don't make no sense to me. And that make no sense. That don't really instruct them to do. Eh? But don't tell me one thing, my viewers and subscribers, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Assistant Commissioner of Indicom, Hamish Campbell, says preliminary reports do not suggest that the 14-year-old boy was among a group of armed men involved in a firefight with the police military team in 100 Lane, St. Andrew on Wednesday. The boy, who is called and named Rasheem Wilson, was reportedly playing a video game on his phone when he was shot. Mr. Campbell says Indicom is still seeking witnesses to assist with its investigation. So my viewers and subscribers, this is what I've been saying. He's a 14-year-old boy. I never see him with no gun. He look a boy upon his phone and I play a game. Yeah, even if he mix up in a gun vibe. Yeah, just say for example, he did mix up in a gun vibe. I want to see the youth, the little youth, and the youth a play a game. You know if shoot the little youth and kill him. You know if take him in. You know if handcuff him and bring him in. Not shoot the little youth. Remember saying no, you only shoot when you not defend yourself, don't it? Obviously. So me not understand. He's a 14-year-old. So why wanna do that to him? That is wrong. It just to me, yeah, some people are say, oh, how people are get upset when police are this and police are that. Yeah. Police for do the right thing. Police supposed to do the right thing. Not just take out gun and just a fire shot like they not no head. No. They're not supposed to do that. From you see anybody at all, anybody will mix up in a gun vibe or whatever, from they not have no gun with them, you're supposed to arrest them. You're supposed to bring them in. You not kill them. You don't do that. You understand? This is why I say, you see Horace Chang come out, I am cause all of this, because he tell them if you shoot to kill. You understand? And the way the police them look on it, if they feel like you're a good man or they feel like you mix up in a gun vibe or you power with people who carry gun, you understand? Them just a go dirt you. You get me? And them not care to me. And that Horace Chang I tell them, Horace Chang know say Jamaican people unruly, including the soldier them, including the police them. And if you go tell the police them if you shoot to kill, all when they not make me say it, you know. It's when me hear Horace Chang make that the speech there, so if you just shoot to kill, me say all when the man them not have no gun, them are go shoot and kill them. And at that is what is happening right now. And a Horace Chang call the whole of this. And when I say, look for Horace Chang good, when don't follow Horace Chang. Police and soldier not follow Horace Chang because we're all one black people. We're all Jamaican. We're not supposed to kill off one another. You understand? No, listen to Horace Chang. Horace Chang no come from there. All when him born they no come from there. Wanna hear what him name? Alright, because him no love Jamaican people. You see people where you see they now put them all for Jamaican and go all out for Jamaican people. Don't follow them, but shoot to kill. Now listen to Horace Chang. You understand? And that them want we kill off our own brothers and sisters. That is not going to happen. We're not going to allow that. You understand? And anytime we see things when are right, we are going to show it up because that is wrong. You get me? But don't tell me one thing still. You know, if you agree with me, you know, on put phone views in the comment section. Make me hear one thoughts there. Alright? Here it is. The government has commenced implementation of its multi-billion-dollar electronic health record system at public health facilities, which will ensure a seamless interface of critical diagnostic imaging. Speaking of the unveiling of the system at the P0N Hospital in Clarendon today, Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, said it is a part of a mission to transform the delivery of healthcare with increased use of technology, which is good. That is really good with all the technology. But if you don't have the resources, if you don't have the resources so the people them can get better, it don't make no sense. You need resources. You understand? You say yes, the electronic health record system, yes. Electronic health record system is a good thing because from what people Philip when I write in a book. You understand? So I kind of understand that part there. However, not even that, it's not really a priority. The priority is to get all the medication, to get all equipment that is needed for each hospital. You understand me? The hospital ain't short a bed. The hospital ain't short of certain little things and them something there. You understand? You not forget it. Not if even basic Panadol, you not even have. You understand? In the hospital. You get me? So, we need resources. This is what you guys need. So, Christopher Tufton, I would like you to get resources for the hospital. Put the people, them health first. You understand me? Put their health first. You talk about electronic health record system. When you say electronic health records, for who don't know, it's just for update the records. So then put it electronically. Instead of them write it in the book, them have it on an electronic system. That's all. But that wasn't a top priority. The top priority was getting beds, was building more extra spaces so the people them not for the outside and wait for what people fill up. So the people they not have to lay down on the floor. So the people they not have to sit down up in a chair. Come on, Christopher Tufton. You understand what I try to show you? This is not, you're not thinking. You go backwards. You go backwards. Me not say the electronic record system not good enough. It is good, but what me I say is that the top priority right now? It's not. the top priority is make sure so una have medicine because una say, una claim say healthcare free, but when I really check it, when when the doctor them done prescribe all type of medication, una don't have it at the hospital to give, and when una send the people them to the pharmacy not have it. Yes, a real thing. The pharmacy say, you know what? So we don't have those ones, but we have some different brand that you have to pay for. All of them something they are foolishness. Like the brand matter. The brand no matter, Me telling you that. The brand don't make a difference. Make a difference. So sometimes I don't understand. Sometimes I do not get it. Why when time the doctor then prescribe the medication, they don't have it in stock at the hospital. And when they send you to a particular pharmacy, those pharmacy don't have it in stock either. Why? I would like to know. And this not happen like 1 or 2 times. It happen all the while right through 365 days out of the year. You understand me? So my thing to Christopher Tufton is spend less time on the private sector and spend more time in the public sector. This is what you need to do. Because the public sector, they need, remember, a particular hospital come out. I think it was the Savannah Lamar Hospital. They claim that them have 1 bag of bed, but they don't have the space. So once you see that, you start make adjustment. And you just start bill start make, add on. That's what you need to do. And you have some hospital that have no equipment at all. Certain equipment, to do certain surgery, they don't have either. You have to make sure that all hospital have all these things. So the person that is in charge at each hospital, una have to make sure that una hospital get everything una want. This is why una system I really cannot blame the hospital too much. You understand? I have to blame Christopher Tufton because them are the one who have the money, and the only thing the nurse in charge, or the only thing the CEO or the executive for the hospital can only do is tell them what they needed, and them are the one who have to, you understand, give them the money to do it. So if Christopher Tufton not spend no money in the public health sector, there's nothing the nurses and doctor really cannot do. But one thing I want the nurses and doctor them do, if you see somebody come there, a patient come there with a situation, and you know so you cannot deal with it, or you know so you don't have the equipment, you need to tell them effective immediately. That's what you guys to do, or try to ring up a different hospital and see if the hospital can take them or help out or whatever. You need to come more together. You understand? You need to just come together as one, because if you're in a certain hospital and say you're the nurse in charge, or say you just say the nurse in charge, and you have to, you see a particular patient coming and say they can't anger this a job. You need straight away, you try contact the nearest hospital. You have to work together as a team. You understand? Teamwork make the dream work. You understand? Come on. But my viewers and subscribers, tell me one thing still. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section.
But wrapping up and proposing that we can't have, maybe 45 or 50 there. But they speak to guidance, they speak to violence, they speak to indiscipline. That can't be moving to crimson without talking about this is happening in the schools, the indiscipline. You don't read and look on the newspaper and look on the TV. Somebody stepped on a clerks and was hospitalized by being beaten by the individual whose clerks it was. We don't see a death at Kingston Technical because 2 children were fighting. We don't hear the constant complaints of indiscipline within our society, but coming out of our children in our schools, and violence. What we have? 1 guidance counselor to 700, 800 students. What we have? 1 dean of discipline to 1,000 students. If we look at the farm teacher model and reimagine it by making it no longer be a ragging for the new teacher, but to train the farm teacher in guidance, levels of guidance, not equivalent to the guidance counselor, but in understanding and identifying certain things, we would have dramatically increased adult to children ratio in socialization and guidance.
And additional to that, In each classroom, they also need teaching assistant. Teaching assistant will be able to assist each student and assist the teacher also, because as what Damion Crawford say, it is a good thing, yes, for guidance counselors, the teacher then can have a little insight what the guidance counselor do. But definitely they need teaching assistant, because sometimes they have all our 50, 60 pitney to one farm teacher. No, we don't need teaching assistant. It too much now. It's too much for the teacher them. You understand? But me agree with what Damion Crawford say. It's true. Hear more.
Every class of 40 have a farm teacher. If we change that from being ragging to senior teacher level with a little bit more pay, and you have to go through this training, how could we support our guidance unit to have the guidance counselor, the 40 farm teachers, that is 7 grades times 5, that's 35 farm teachers, and the dean of discipline working together to re-socialize our children? Because we have to do that. They are being exposed to constant negativity with no counter-argument. They are being told that a scammer make more than a university graduate, and that's a lie. The best scammer might make more than the worst graduate, but the average university graduate is making way more. If scamming was so lucrative, how come $2 million car is a car of choice? We then call it Crown, or I want to show them Senator Webby car. In fact, I want to show them Senator Webby plane. We need to get that counter arguments. We need to say, yeah, there are a few who are asleep. Oh, helicopter. Helicopter? You know, plane. If you buy a plane, only for mackerel have to say buy a plane. But I want to show them a car at least. I want to show them Senator Fitzgerald Benz. Talk the truth now. Because the kids at 11 are only seeing the negative assumption that education does nothing. That there's sufferation surrounding it. It's undesirable. We need the counter arguments of people making $1 million a month, $2 million a month in real jobs, having gone to university. But we need that guidance counselor, that dean of the Department of Socialization, by rethinking how we treat farm teachers to make them be a supporting staff to socialization and guidance.
So my viewers and subscribers, I do agree with Damion Crawford. Yeah, I do agree. If you go to university level, definitely you can earn the amount. But right now the way all the youth them are pray, them are sound mad. Me know if you go uni, go study how long, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, if you just come earn what, maybe 100,000 a month. Some of them not even earn that. You understand? When they can just, just chop that and get $1 million. Seriously, because I was listening to this. Yeah. Because I went under Damion Crawford post and I saw this and I was listening to it, and underneath it also somebody comment and here what the person comment. This person said, so how me have my degree and can't get no work? The second person said, if him becomes PNP leader, him get me vote. And the third person said, most teachers walk to school and the students are looking at that and I say, she not make no money and my cousin chop a food one day and buy 3 car. Wanna hear that? So, me just try show no how what people is thinking. And underneath Damion Crawford post, they go and comment this. You understand? Because a lot of persons also have their degree and can't get no job. They cannot get no job no matter what them do. They just can't get no job. Because guess what? They must say they no experience. I mean, I understand it. They must say they no experience. They don't have no experience. So a lot of people, they rather take the ones them will already have experience than the one them will have the qualification. You get me? Yeah. And then you hear what the other person say. The other person say, you have some of the teacher them a walk foot and pick me a look on that. You understand? And then they know somebody will chop and buy 3 car. So you see how people are pre different. People are pre fast money right now. You get me? And as I said before, I believe not only guidance counselor, you have teaching assistant in the classroom as well, because you can't have farm teacher and have all 50 pitney in a one class with one teacher. That's a nonsense. You need the teacher needs support as well. Remember say, a whole heap of pitney them to deal with, plus and all of the pitney them are going to sit down and listen. You get me? So you need a teaching assistant to attend to the students them and also to support the teacher also. You get me? But tell me one thing still. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, guys, welcome. Big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.